This is a black widow spider, and this little guy here, let's see if I can get him to focus here. Probably not. Well, this is a cicada. They are native to Northern California. They only come out once a year. They make very loud buzzing noises, or chirping, I guess. They come out when it's really, really hot outside. And they're both native here, so we put the cicada in here to see if the black widow would be intimidated by it or if she would try to kill it. I'm trying to get this thing to focus. There we go, almost. It does have very strong little arms on it. So it does have potential to harm the black widow if it got a hold of it, I guess. So here goes to the battle royale. The widow seems to not really want anything to do with it much. It's just like, why are you in my web? And I took her egg sac out right before this, so she might think that that thing took it. So she's kind of pissed off. She seems to be getting a little more interested the more entangled he gets. He's a big guy. Update to follow.